Subject GK. Student, we have already completed chapter 22 and chapter 23. Now this is chapter 24. Answer the questions. Student, this is just for reading. Okay, you have to read this chapter. These are questions and these are answer. You have to just read this chapter. Okay. Now this is chapter 25. Modern Olympic and its features. Students, there are 15 questions in this chapter. Just like question 1, when were the first recorded Olympic held? You have to write answer 776 BC. The second question is, what does IOC stand for? You have to write answer International Olympic Committee. Number third question, who is the founder of the International Olympic Committee IOC? You have to write the answer Baron Pierre de Coubertin and Demetrius Vikelas. Question 4, where is the IOC headquarters located? You have to write answer Lausanne, Switzerland. Question 5, how many new events will be added to the 2021 Olympics? You have to write answer 5. Question 6, who is known as the father of modern Olympics? You have to write answer Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Question 7, who created the motto of the Olympic Games, swifter, higher, stronger? You have to write answer Henry Didon. Question 8, apart from English, which other language is the official language of the International Olympic Committee? You have to write answer French. Question 9, when was the first time that India participated at the Olympics? You have to write answer 1900 in Paris. Question 10, who was the first athlete from independent India to win a medal at the Olympics? You have to write answer Khashaba Dada Saheb Jadhav. Question number 11, who was the first Indian woman to reach the semi-final of an Olympic event? You have to write answer Shiny Abraham Wilson. Question 12, who was the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics? You have to write answer Karnam Malleshwari. Question 13, where were the Special Olympics held in 2019? You have to write answer Abu Dhabi. Question 14, what was the venue of the 2016 Olympics? You have to write answer Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Question 15, where would the 2020 Olympics rescheduled to 2021 due to COVID-19 be hosted? You have to write answer Tokyo, Japan. Student, now open chapter number 26, the football fever. Okay, these are also answer the following questions. These are questions and you have to write the answer of this question. Just like question 1, when was the first FIFA World Cup held? You have to write answer 1930. Second question, which country had won the first football World Cup? You have to write answer Uruguay. Question 3, what do Americans and Canadians call football? You have to write answer soccer. Question 4, which country has won the football World Cup maximum number of times? You have to write answer Brazil. Question 5, which team won the inaugural Indian Super League? You have to write answer Atletico de Kolkata. Atletico de Kolkata. Question 6, what was the official mascot of the FIFA World Cup 2018? You have to write answer Jabivaka, a wolf. Question number 7, which countries made their debut in FIFA World Cup 2018? You have to write answer Iceland and Panama. Question 8, which country would host the 2022 FIFA World Cup? You have to write answer Qatar. Question number 9, which country won the 2018 FIFA World Cup? You have to write answer France. Question number 10, who is the current FIFA president? You have to write Gianni Infantino. Gianni Infantino. Now student, this is chapter 27. Okay. Shown below are few pictograms. Can you identify which sport does each pictogram represent? These are pictogram of some sports and you have to write answer of this pictograms. First is archery, second tennis, third sailing, fourth basketball, fifth fencing, sixth rowing, seventh boxing, eighth weightlifting, ninth cycling, 10th athletics. Now students, open, this is chapter 28, legends in the field of sports. Okay, this great American boxer birth name was Cassius Marcellus Clay Jr. and his nickname was the greatest Muhammad Ali. Second, he was a professional basketball player, an Olympic athlete, is a businessman and an actor. He is Michael Jeffrey Jordan. Third, he scored the highest number of goals in hockey at the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games. He is Dhanraj Pillai. Fourth, she is the only tennis player with 23 Grand Slam titles and has been number 1 for 319 weeks in total. She is Serena Williams. Number 5th, she was the captain of the Indian women's national cricket team and has scored more than 6,000 runs in one-day matches. She is Mithali Raj. 6th, he is a sprinter popularly referred to as the lightning bolt. He is Usain Bolt. Now student, this is chapter 29, discovering different. These are also questions and you have to write the answer of these questions. Which sport is Canada's national winter sport? You have to write answer ice hockey. Second question, archery is the national sport of which country? You have to write Bhutan. Which country hosted the 2019 Cricket World Cup? You have to write England and Wales. Fourth question, which day is observed as the National Sports Day in India? You have to write 29 August. Fifth question, which sport is Lionel Messi associated with? You have to write football. Sixth question, which was the stadium where Tendulkar achieved his 100th century? You have to write Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium, Dhaka. Seventh question, with which game is the title of Grandmaster associated? You have to write chess. Eighth question, when was the Commonwealth Games introduced? You have to write 1930. Ninth question, which country has won the Football World Cup maximum number of times? You have to write Brazil. 10th question, who can claim the honor of the being India's second Grandmaster after Vishwanath Anand? You have to write Dibyendu Barua. 11th question, when were the first Asian Games held? You have to write 1951. 12th question, how many red balls are there in the game of snooker? You have to write 15. Now student, you have to open chapter number 30, the renowned stadium of India. Okay, these are renowned stadium of India and you have to write the answer. The Sardar Patel Stadium is the largest stadium in India by seating capacity and will be used for hosting cricket matches. It is located in Ahmedabad. Second, the Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium, the second oldest cricket stadium in India, has been renamed as Arun Jaitley Stadium in memory of former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. It is located in New Delhi. Third question, the Wankhede Stadium hosted the final of the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2011, which India won. It is located in Mumbai. Now fourth question, the Eden Garden is a sea of lush green state-of-the-art cricket stadium. Presently, it is the largest cricket stadium in India and it is located in Kolkata. Fifth question, the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium is a popular cricket stadium in India. It was earlier referred to as the Karnataka State Cricket Association Stadium. It is located in Bengaluru. And sixth, popularly known as the Chepauk Stadium, the M.A. Chidambaram Cricket Stadium is the third oldest cricket stadium in India. It is located in Chennai. Student, you have to fill these exercises all in your GK book.